Good day, traders. Jeffrey Friedman, Senior Commodity Broker, RJO Futures, coming to you live from the CME Group trading floor. My daily comments on the stock index futures, looking at the fundamentals today, are the same as they were probably last week. When will the Fed pull back on bond buying or stimulus for the economy? First, they were going to pull it back. Then they backpedaled and said not so quick. We'll wait and see how the economy and some of the unemployment numbers look and some of our expanding economy looks. Now, have said that, the reason I bring that up right away is we do have a meeting on July 30th, 31st, a two-day meeting, and they're going to probably have a more closer indication of when they'll start tapering back on that stimulus $85 billion buying program. Now, have said that, okay, we have possibly a slowdown in China's economic growth. We possibly have some tailwind in Europe, and you have to gauge the whole global economics to find out if America can kind of carry everybody on their back. The stock market in general is on a 5-year high. We're up 17% for the year, basically in all the stock index futures. Okay, have said all that, we had very little economic reports this week. We're in the midst of earnings. I would have to say that 2/3 of the reports of the S&P 500 have beat the street or at least come on target, so that economically earnings, corporate earnings, profit margins, if you will, are hitting the street or beating the street, So have said all that, let's look at the technicals. We'll take a look at the September future contract for the S&P. We're around 1680, 1685. The high of the whole move this year was 1696. That would be minor resistance. We'll keep climbing, so the trend's your friend. Least resistance, the bulls are in command. We're in an uptrend. Now, if we close above 1696, next target would be 1710 or 1720. And really, a lot of people have their eye on the big goal of 1750. We are up 17%, so it wouldn't surprise me to have a pullback. If we had a 7% pullback, that's 115 points in the September S&P future contract, and that would power us down around the 15.5, 1530 level. But remember, 1635 would be critical for a trend reversal point, in my opinion, and we're at the upper end of that range. If we pull back, we should find major support around 1635. Two-day close underneath that or on the week would put the bears in command, and we would change the trend for the S&P September contract. You can look at the Dow or the NASDAQ. They're all doing about the same thing. Economic growth is moderate at best. Unemployment is basically coming down ever so slightly, but we don't have a robust economy. We don't have a global robust economy. And so what, in my opinion, was powering the stock market to be up 17% basically for the year, 6 months, 7 months, 8 months, would be help from the Feds and help from other central banks. We have to watch it very closely. We'll find out on July 30th, 31st, and we'll probably get some more news. Remember always, trading futures or option to futures involves risk of loss, not suitable for all investor or traders. Please give me a call if you'd like more details on any markets, trading, or help in any way. Good luck and good trading.